Hello, I'm Dr. Ann Koenig, Corporate Medical Director. At Amtrak, there is nothing more important to us than protecting your health and safety. This has always been our number one priority as a company, and we are even more committed to protecting you now, given all the uncertainty that exists with the COVID-19 pandemic. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect. At our stations, we've enhanced our cleaning and disinfecting procedures to ensure that commonly used surfaces such as door handles, countertops, seating areas, and ticketing kiosks are cleaned frequently and thoroughly. For your well-being and ours, Amtrak is requiring all customers and employees to wear facial coverings while in stations. Our new signage and boarding process helps customers keep a safe distance apart. We are utilizing mobile technology through the Amtrak app to offer you a convenient and contact-free way of accessing all the information you need for your journey, from purchasing your ticket, to getting gate and track boarding information, to showing your e-ticket on board, all from your own device. On board, we've augmented our cleaning protocols to include spraying a highly effective disinfectant commonly used in medical facilities. We are regularly cleaning all surfaces, and on select routes, we are deploying en route cleaners. We are providing more space on board, allowing customers to spread out for physical distancing. All customers and employees are required to wear facial coverings on board our trains and throughway buses. Facial coverings can be removed when customers are in their private rooms. We have adjusted our onboard dining experience to allow for carry-out only service or a modified flexible dining service. For added protection in our cafe cars, we are installing hand sanitizer dispensers and protective plastic barriers at cafe countertops. We are also accepting cashless payments only. Upon arrival to your destination, conductors will make announcements regarding where and when you can disembark to minimize crowding at the door. All of these steps are now in place for your safety and well-being. And for added peace of mind, Amtrak has waived all change and cancellation fees through August. So, when you are ready to travel, Amtrak will be ready for you.